that ugly fucker you got in the back seat. Yeah, I mean, this
You just jealous because I punch your bitch in her mouth. Fuck you, bitch. And I'ma do it again. I don't give a fuck. You or die, bitch. I will do it again. And you ain't gotta worry about seeing me.
So what's going on?
More. This fucking fake ass nigga gonna sit up here and threaten me because I blew my horn because a car in front of him
shut your cunt ass up.
was taking forever. So why would he think that I'm blowing
What kind of woman come out with a
because
rap on her
somebody
head
paid
like that?
his damn low life, short ass dick to goddamn holler and scream all night.
Exactly.
Hey, what's going on, bro?
And you know what we gonna do? I'm gonna pull out a way so your broke ass can get your motherfucking meal. How about that, ho?
Say what now?
I'm gonna pull out the way so your broke ass can get your meal, ho.
Bro, motherfucker,
take
suck
EBT.
my dick, bitch.
Hey, they take EBT.
Oh, great, motherfucker. And I want you to keep working so I can take all your money.
They
You
take
goddamn
EBT.
right, bitch.
Money?
Damn
You don't want to talk about
I'm
no
a
money.
veteran.
Hey,
Take your
bro,
fucking whack
hey,
ass
you
back to
careful.
fucking Africa.
How
I already
much
dealt
that
with
is?
your kind once tonight. Get the fuck
20
out
racks,
of here.
ho.
What, $2? You got $2 Bitch, you lucky.
You better hope they don't take
it.
it.
You fucking with the right one now.
Call the right one, ho.
Get your food. I'm ready to eat.
Call the right one. All right, come on, yo. Let's go. Damn. That's enough.
Bro, look.
Is he getting the food? You don't wait on my food, bitch. Mind your business. Don't worry about my food. Don't worry about my food.
This nigga's still motherfucking, bro.
Bitch, I'll kick that car down the